Imagine you just turned 18. Now you would require a PAN card, a bank account, maybe even a passport. But how many of you actually know what are the first steps to get these things done? Nobody teaches you these things, but Adulting 101 does. So, good evening everyone. I am Kamya, an AI builder. Let me walk you through what I have built. This is your step-by-step guide to adulting in India. When you click on Get Started, first it will let you know a very simple profile. So you can enter your age, your state, your city, and your profession. Now here comes the main part. This will let you know what documents you already have. You can tick on the documents that you already have and the ones you don't. And there it is, your simple profile setup done in a few minutes.
Super. Very good. Amazing. Wow.
So on the first screen, we have life events. Now we don't wake up one day wanting a PAN card or wanting a passport, right? Instead, we turn 18, we travel abroad for the first time, or we get our first job. And that is exactly what Adulting 101 is designed for. Let's see. Turning 18, you're officially an adult. What would be the first step? To get your Aadhaar card. Okay. When I click on this, it shows me the exact documents that I need. Also, it has an option for official government portals. When I click on this, I'll be directly directed to the official government websites where I need to do my work. Yes, that's it. And then you can tick the documents once you have them. And lastly, just click I am ready. Begin the step-by-step process. Here you will have your this is not scrolling up. Yes. You will have a step-by-step guide on what to do. Like once you complete the steps, you can just go on marking them, and then you will receive a 2-page confirmation. Like for Aadhaar card, what are 2 important things that you need to know? Your 12-digit Aadhaar card number and your name and photo on the page. Once you've received that, you can just mark this as done, and there you have it completed.
Wow. Super.
Just like this, when you reach My Vault, you can see all the documents, keep track of them, which ones you have, which ones you don't. So it doesn't let you forget anything, and you can keep track of everything. Other than that, we also have an AI assistant which can assist you in certain questions that you have. For example, can I apply for a passport before turning 18? There is the required answer. Also, in my dashboard, I have the average progress of what I've done. There are recommended next options for people who already did that task. What did they do next? So that's a good recommendation. And here you can keep track of everything that you have done. See, nobody teaches you to be an adult. Adulting 101 prepares you for that. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much.